It started with the sound of speed. Engines racing, answering the need. Waves were wild. The crowd was loud. The energy rising. We stood proud. But behind the race, there's more to see. A team that works tirelessly, from cargo arrival to last-minute checks. IAS was there with zero defects. Baggage moved, equipment flowed, all on time and ready to go. Not just on land, but sea and air. We made sure support was everywhere. Now the engines rest, the crowd goes home, but the spirit of service still stands strong. Because every journey, every show needs hands that work behind the globe. And that's where we'll always be. IAS, Elevate Aviation Journey.